Bubbly Bubbly Pure is the only device that measures real fermentation by tracking the most important parameter, CO₂. CO₂ makes your dough rise. It tells you if your starter is alive, active, or struggling. The device also tracks temperature, growth, and humidity. But it doesn't just collect data, it turns it into clear, useful insights. Powered by AI trained specifically for sourdough, it tells you exactly when to feed your sourdough and when it's ready to bake. It can even predict what's coming next, so you can plan your baking schedule in advance. All data is synced with a mobile app, so you can monitor your starter in real time and stay in control, anytime, anywhere. You'll also receive smart notifications whenever your starter reaches an important stage. And when you need help, your personal baking assistant, Dr. Dough, is there for you. Get simple explanations, personalized advice, and better results. Bubbly Bubbly Pure is designed for everyone, from complete beginners to experienced bakers. Whether you bake every day or once a week, it adapts to your routine. Even with a busy schedule, it fits into your life. You can store it in the fridge, and the battery lasts up to 1 month on a single charge. No more guessing, no more inconsistent results. A smoother, fully controlled process, and better bread. Because great bread starts with great sourdough. Bubbly Bubbly.